And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 27th National Youth Festival in Nashik, Maharashtra today. Modi paid floral tributes to the portrait of Swami Vivekananda and Rajmata Jijau. He also witnessed a march past by the state's team and a cultural program on the theme of Vikasit Bharat at 2047, Yuva ke liye, Yuva ke dwara, which included rhythmic gymnastics, Malakham, Yogasana and National Youth Festival song. Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister said that today marks the occasion of India's youth power and is dedicated to the great personality of Swami Vivekananda, who filled the country with new energy and enthusiasm during the period of slavery. Modi conveyed his best wishes to all youth on the occasion of National Youth Day, which is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Chief Minister Conrad K.